Hi there, this is Puya from puyayoga.com. Today I have a dynamic exercise to help you get rid of back pain, especially lower back pain. Join me here, sit down. If you can sit here, perfect. If not, place something under your glutes. Just sit comfortably. It's not about this posture, it's more about the movement that we do in a few seconds. So relax shoulder, relax arm, breathe in, breathe out, and join me. We will do it first on each side for a few seconds and then we make it a bit more dynamic. The right hand goes a bit away from your right knee, not too close, and then you just want to stretch the left arm. At the first round, we are doing just few seconds of basic lateral stretch to prepare this area for the dynamic exercise. Just feel it, how these sides are opening, how your spine is bending gently to one direction. Then we change to the other direction. Go all the way. Try to straighten up your arm. If you're here, this is your maximum. It's fine as long as you feel it here. The more you stretch your arm, the deeper the stretch also. So now we want to bring it into a dynamic form and also a breathing exercise meanwhile. The movement will look like this. Here I go in, here I relax. Here I go in, here I relax. But the key element is again in your breathing. If you activate your breathing, not only you are stretching from outside, but also from inside. You expand the lungs, you give some volume, you can help to relieve your back pain. So here, when I'm stretching, the rib cage is opening, therefore in. When you relax, always exhale, since the capacity of the lungs and rib cage are also less. Here, you have the stretch, and out, in, out. The style or the level that we are doing now is the basic level. If you want to increase the stretch, you can go lower with your forearms. For instance, here, I can go lower with my right forearm and increase the stretch. However, watch out that you don't lift your glutes. The glutes are on the floor. The whole stretch goes here, not by lifting. By lifting, you actually shut off the stretch. So keep your glutes down and stretch. In, all out, full stretch, out. Why is it so good actually for your lower back? If you feel what we are doing, your spine is moving all the way to right and left. The movement that we are hardly doing during the day. We are sitting straight, closed back, closed hips, closed legs. But now we are sitting in an opener version for your knees, for your hips, and at the same time, the spine is moving to all the lateral capacity. This helps a lot to relieve lower back pain. Few more. In, out, in, out. We're almost there. Last one. Hold it a bit longer. If you can turn a bit up, face up, chest up, the other side. Amazing feeling. Everything is opening here in your rib cage, in your lower back. They're all connected. And finally, we relax. Take some moments again. Feel what just happened to your body. Feel the sensations are waking up, the blood flow circulation, and maybe you feel a bit warmer. Amazing how during a very, very basic exercise, we can connect to our body better. This is a very, very simple exercise how to relieve your lower back pain. For the complete lower back pain course, check the description below. I see you very soon.